Hare Krishna. So now you can buy the Krsnatarian recipe book by going on the website and choosing the option you desire of either buying in India, which directs you to the Indian Amazon link, and outside India, which redirects you to the other website where the book is available in various formats which you can choose as per your preference. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you a very special recipe of Ekadashi which is made with paneer. This recipe is very simple to prepare and you can also make this recipe during non-Ekadashi days. So let's proceed towards the recipe. So first, in a skillet, I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it heat up, and then in that add around 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds and a tablespoon of ginger chili paste, few curry leaves, and then here I'm going to saute it for few seconds. Now I wanted to show you this Ekadashi spice powder which I make at home. If you want the recipe of it, then just let me know in the comment section. But if you do not have this kind of powder at home, then just roast coriander, cumin, fennel and turmeric root together and then just ground into a fine powder. I added around 1 tablespoon of this Ekadashi spice powder and just sauteed it on very low heat for just few seconds, and then I added around 3 medium-sized tomatoes to it. These are chopped tomatoes. So I added around half tablespoon of salt and then mixed everything nicely. Now I will cover it with a lid and on low heat I will let these tomatoes to get soft. Now once these tomatoes are soft, I'm going to press them like this. They do not look completely soft, so I'm going to cover it again and then cook it for few more minutes, like around 3 to 4 minutes, and this is done. Now in this I'm going to add around half cup of chopped cilantro, which is also called as coriander leaves. Mix nicely. Now in this we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Now you can use regular cream as well, but I would suggest you sour cream. The outside sour cream, I think they have some kind of beans, so you cannot use that. But I have a playlist of Ekadashi recipes. In there is this sour cream recipe. This sour cream is Ekadashi friendly and the flavor which comes with sour cream is way different than you will get from the regular cream. So I would highly suggest you to try out that recipe at home and then prepare this Ekadashi recipe. It will really turn out good. Make sure that the flame or the heat is on low. Now after this I am going to add around 2 cups of paneer, freshly made paneer. Now you can even little bit pan fry the paneer and add it, but I just wanted to use it like this. So I'm going to mix nicely. And now after this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. So what happened is that I added total 2 cups of water in it, but I added gradually the water because I wanted to make sure that it doesn't get too watery. So after adding the water like this and stirring it, then I garnished it again with some cilantro and then covered it and cooked it for another 5 minutes. One thing, remember that this sour cream is also made from cream, so even though right now it looks watery, after some time once it cools down it will become thicker in consistency. So I'll turn off the stove and then garnish with remaining cilantro. I used total 1 cup of cilantro, and now I'm going to just mix it well and then serve it out on a plate. So it has been only few minutes and you can already see that the gravy has thickened. That's exactly what I was talking about. So this is a very simple paneer gravy sabji, which can go well with any Ekadashi flatbread or buns, or you can even use it with samo khichdi or Ekadashi buckwheat puri. Look at the cream, how nice and thick it is. I will place a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.